are starting this beautiful day off at my parents' suite. We just are about to open some presents. Holy moly, it is windy today. Oh, there was a huge storm last night, so that's what's kind of washing away now. But yeah, we're just gonna open some presents now, then get changed and go down to breakfast. We have our little Christmas all set up for all of us, Cameron, Emily, Amanda, and we have the little stockings over here for the parents. So cute. And of course our Christmas tree. This is the ornament we just got yesterday that we'll put on our tree every year to remember this trip.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
I just want to show you guys one of the things I got. Look at these pretty earrings I just got. They're so different, but they're so cute. They're like dainty and fancy at the same time. I love them.
Oh, it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
We came outside. They have this giant parade for Santa coming in right here. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of dark. There he is. Okay, I want to just show you guys the money really quick. Here's 50, 100, 500, and 1,000. That money is so pretty. Sorry, it's really loud in here. Alright, I finally got in the water. It is nice and sunny again now. I'm so happy. The sun has been hiding from us for a little while, so we're just going to hang out and swim. It is crazy to me that I'm in a pool by the beach on Christmas. Like, what? I'm so loving it. I'm happy the sun came out because yesterday was pouring rain. We have moved back over to the lazy river. I'm gonna go back on all the slides. It is so hot and I love it. You can't even stay out in the sun longer than like 10 minutes.
Christmas coronation.
right, the whole family's going. I actually went so fast. That's the first time I went that fast on that one.
On that one?
I got stuck.
I did too.
Oh, there's Amanda. Come on, Dad.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel.
Yeah, Mom. Yeah, Dad.
We're all freezing up here. Are you okay?
Christmas stars.
Okay, we finished up swimming. Obviously, now we're headed to dinner. We're all dressed up. Our Christmas dinner, and we're eating at this Pan-Asian place, which I'm super excited for. So, here we go. Look at all the pretty Christmas lights. We made it inside. This is the restaurant I've been waiting to go to. I literally want to have everything on their menu. I mean, I guess I could because it's all inclusive, but I'm so excited to eat. I'm starving. Oh my goodness. Okay, we were back from dinner. I forgot to record everything because I was so hungry. Again, the portions are very small, so we get 2 appetizers because what did you got? My sister got the sushi, and it literally came with 2 pieces of sushi as the whole appetizer plate. Anyways, I am full because we had eventually 4 courses. We're just gonna hang out and play some games now. I hope that you guys have all had a very Merry Christmas. Thank you guys for watching and coming along with me on this Jamaican Christmas. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!